Disney's Frozen 2 on Blu-ray tomorrow.
This is a filet-o-fish sandwich. This is Arby's crispy fish sandwich. And this is Arby's fish and cheddar sandwich. Ours are 2 for $6. Theirs is, oops, there it goes.
All regular programming has been interrupted. This is a national level emergency. Please stand by.
This is a national emergency. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, authorized to broadcast by the United States government. This is not a test. All stations shall cease programming at this time for a national level emergency. Approximately 20 minutes ago, NASA detected a meteorite that is confirmed to be on a direct collision course with planet Earth. The meteorite is measured to be half the size of the Earth and is traveling at approximately 20,000 miles per hour. It will collide with its target in the next 3 minutes. Due to the circumstances, you should lay flat on the floor and cover your head from flying debris. We all have to accept that this may be the end of our world. Do not let children know what is going on, and say your final goodbyes to loved ones. We hope that any life is left after the impact, even though the Earth will be a fire-covered wasteland. We wish you all the best of luck. God bless you, your families, the Earth, and the United States of America. The emergency alert system has been activated.